Ever dreamed of grabbing your backpack and heading off on a global adventure? Picture yourself scaling the Great Wall of China, getting lost in the vibrant streets of Marrakesh, or soaking up the sun on a Greek island. But hold on, globetrotters. Before you book those flights, there's a crucial question every Aussie adventurer needs to ask. Can you use your trusty Commbank account abroad? Fear not, travel enthusiasts, because that's exactly what we're diving into today. In this video, we'll be exploring the ins and outs of using Commbank outside Australia, from accessing your cash to making payments overseas. So, buckle up, get your passport ready, and let's navigate the world of international banking with Commbank by your side. Using your Commbank card overseas. Let's start with the most basic question. Can you use your Commbank debit or credit card abroad? Absolutely. Commbank cards are linked to the MasterCard or Visa network, which are widely accepted around the world. This means you can use your card to make purchases at stores, restaurants, and ATMs with the MasterCard or Visa logo displayed. Here's a quick tip. Before you jet off, check the specific network your card belongs to, MasterCard or Visa. This information is usually printed on the front of your card. Knowing the network will help you identify stores and ATMs that accept your card overseas. Transaction fees, a hidden cost to consider. While using your Commbank card overseas is convenient, there are a few hidden costs to be aware of. The biggest one? Transaction fees. Here's the breakdown. Foreign transaction fee. This is a percentage of the transaction amount charged by Commbank for using your card outside Australia. It typically falls somewhere between 1% to 3%, depending on your card type. ATM withdrawal fee. On top of the foreign transaction fee, some ATMs may charge their own withdrawal fee. This fee is typically displayed on the ATM screen before you complete the transaction. Pro tip: avoid ATM withdrawal fees. Look for ATMs that belong to the Global ATM Alliance, GAA, or MasterCard/Visa Plus networks. These networks often have partnerships with Commbank, allowing you to avoid additional ATM withdrawal fees. You can find a list of GAA ATMs on the Commbank website, or through their app. Alternative solutions, travel cards and Wise. Now, if you're a frequent traveler or transaction fees seem daunting, there are alternative solutions to consider. Travel cards. These prepaid cards are loaded with funds before your trip, allowing you to avoid foreign transaction fees and manage your travel budget effectively. Wise. This online money transfer service offers competitive exchange rates and low fees for international transactions. It can be a great option for larger transfers or online purchases. Staying safe with your Commbank account abroad. Security is paramount when using your bank account abroad. Here are some essential tips to keep your Commbank account safe. Inform Commbank about your travel plans. Let Commbank know your travel dates and destinations to avoid any red flags on your account activity. This can be done through the Commbank app or by calling their customer service line. Be vigilant about scams. Unfortunately, scams are more prevalent in tourist destinations. Be wary of anyone asking for your PIN or card details. Only use ATMs in secure locations. Avoid using ATMs in dimly lit areas or those that look unmaintained. Staying connected with Commbank, your banking lifeline. The good news? Commbank offers a range of tools to help you manage your finances while you're abroad. Commbank app. This handy app allows you to check your account balance, track transactions, and even make international payments. 24/7 customer support. Commbank offers 24/7 customer support, so you can get assistance with any issues that arise while you're traveling. The final verdict: Commbank, a reliable partner for your travels? So, can you use Commbank outside Australia? The answer is a resounding yes. With its widely accepted cards, mobile app, and support services, Commbank can be a reliable partner for your travels. However, don't forget to factor in transaction fees and consider alternative options like travel cards or Wise for frequent travelers or larger transactions. Remember, planning is key. Do your research on transaction fees, check ATM networks, and inform Commbank about your travel plans. With a little preparation, you can use Commbank confidently and focus on exploring the wonders of the world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.